Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disconnect your Facebook page from Meta Business Suite in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Meta Business Suite account. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Settings at the bottom of the menu. Once in Settings, you'll see various options. Select Business Assets. This will display all pages and assets currently connected to your business account. Find the specific Facebook page you want to remove from the list. Click the three-dot menu next to it, then select Remove from Business Account from the drop-down options. That's all there is to it. Your page is now successfully disconnected from Meta Business Suite. Remember, this only removes the management connection. Your Facebook page itself remains active. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more social media management tips. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.